Hello everyone, Jay here. I'm at the beach and the TreasurePro. We're set to beach mode sensitivity of 5. Let's get all the goodies. I have a signal here. Pops up as tab, nickel tab. Oh man. It's gonna be a pull tab. Let's get it. Saying it's 5 inches. Alright, it's right here. Oh. It's such a big scoop. It won't even... Alright. Alright, let's take it into the water. Come on, be enough water. Ooh, I like what I see. It wasn't a pull tab, it was a nickel. Into the pouch. One-way signal. Let's get it. Two and a half inches. 2.5 inches. Super jumpy, one way, thinking it's going to be some iron. Alright, so it's right here. I got 2. What are these? Bobby? Not bobby pins. Hair clips. Into the pouch. Alright, I have a target here. No VDI. Dancing around in the foil and pull tab range. Let's get it. Now it's saying it's in the iron range, 6 inches. About here, 6 inches. Oh, I see a pull tab. Into the pouch. It was on its side. I have a penny signal. Super jumpy. Goes from penny to quarter. Let's get it. 4 inches, 3 inches, right here. Sand is too packed. Let's go to the water. And it is a dime. One dime into the pouch. One of the questions I get asked a lot is, how do I keep the wind noise down on my GoPro? It's pretty easy, it's pretty simple. I have a sock, the end of a sock cut off, and there's a hole for the GoPro lens to stick out. All it does is cover the microphone so the wind doesn't blow directly across from it. So, I hope that helps. Good luck, happy hunting. Man, it's starting to rain. I guess I'm out of here. Let me go swing my way to the car. Right, the rain eased up. It's a light sprinkle now. Let's go find all the goodies. Alright, I have a target here. 25, 26. Let's get it. About 4 inches. Solid 25. Full tab. I've ever seen a pink pull tab. Into the boat. Wasn't even watching. But I don't know if you guys can see that. Some 50s miscellaneous. Oh yeah. Oh. What is it? It is heavy. Holy cow. Now that is heavy. Looks like it's a pendant or something. Into the pouch. I have a 24, 26 nickel. Let's get it. About 3 inches right here. Oh, there it is. Pull tab. Into the pouch. I have a quarter signal. Let's get it. That's a weird wobble. So about 2 inches here. One yellow quarter. Let's see if there's anything else. That wobble just was weird. I have a quarter signal, solid 82. Four and a half inches right here. Shake, shake, shake. One brown quarter into the pouch. I have a penny signal, 69.70. That is a very crisp signal. I like it. 2 inches. Shake, shake, shake. That is not a penny. It's an earring. And it is caught. There we are. Into the pouch. We have a quarter signal. Let's get it. Six inches. 6 inches. Whoa. It hit something down there. All right. Shake, shake, shake. Oh, I just saw it. One crusty quarter into the pouch. I have a solid 69. Let's get it. Right next to this little junk bottle. Don't worry, I'll get that off the beach too. Now it's calling it a dime. Shake, shake, shake. Man, it's too big of a scoop. Oh, there it is. 1 penny into the pouch, along with this random bottle of who knows what. That's going into the trash.
Welcome to the wrap-up. As you can see, I had another great day at the beach. I did get a little wet, that's okay. Actually, I got a lot wet, but that's alright. The TreasurePro's weatherproof. It's not waterproof. Can't be submerged. I did find 3 quarters, a dime, a nickel, and a penny, an earring, and this thing. I looked it over. It's real shiny, it's real heavy, but I didn't see any markings on it. It's kind of a bummer. But if you liked what you saw, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, my friends.
Hello everyone, Jay here. I'm at the beach. I have the TreasurePro. We're set to beach mode, sensitivity of 5. Let's get all the goodies.